Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, good to hear that. We're going to start now our speaking test. Okay, this is your picture. You tell me which the differences in picture one and picture two.
Um,
In picture one,
the picture was uh, it hot
there is a
and this uh,
cin-
cin-
cinema,
cinema.
but
Picture two,
there is
the bus trans
station.
station.
Okay, number two.
Picture one, um,
There is a
there is a supermarket,
supermarket,
supermarket.
but
Yes.
in picture two,
In picture two,
there is
there is stop
sports
stop
center.
center.
Okay.
Picture one.
Mhm.
mm, mm, Picture one. Of
The
bus.
bus
mm,
is red.
Race.
Mm.
Picture two.
The car is
Car is yellow.
yellow. Now this one.
Picture one.
There is
There is a
circus,
circus.
but
Bus.
in picture two,
In picture two,
there is
there is
a fun fair.
a person.
Okay, very good. Now let's have the next part, Anna. You tell me which one is different, okay? Number one, it's correct. They are
Food.
food. Very good. Number two, it's
Wow.
okay. What is this?
Um,
It's a penguin.
Penguin.
Now, what are these?
Um,
They are parts of the
Star
body.
body.
Okay. Number three.
Um, the one.
Number one. What is this?
City.
City. Okay. And what is this?
Um, some,
Farmer.
um,
Cook.
cook.
And singer.
Singer.
Okay. They are called jobs.
Child.
Okay. Number four. It's
For
what is this?
doctor.
Correct. And the three. This one is
Forest. Um,
three.
River.
Correct.
Um,
Is it a beach?
this
Beach. Okay. They are called places.
places.
Okay. We are done, and thank you. See you around.
Teacher.